So this is a typical geometry problem if you see one on any type of standardized test or college entrance exam. It says the length of a rectangle is 3 feet less than twice the width of the rectangle. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 174 feet, find the width and the length. And so with this problem, it's definitely a good idea to guess and check. If your algebra skills are really low, this problem is accessible just by throwing a table out there and just starting to do numbers. I'm going to show you the algebra of it since this is a college algebra course, but when worse comes to worse, you start throwing numbers together. Maybe the perimeters or the length is 10 and the width is 20. Does that fit all of our rules? Is that 3 less than twice the width, and things like that? So because that's what most people can do. And so here we go. I'll go ahead and show you the version of it. So first off is I would draw the rectangle. Okay. And I'll be swinging back and forth here, but it says the length of the rectangle is 3 feet less than twice the width. Okay. So here is, I got to write that down so I don't forget it. So if you're given the width here, the length is 3 feet less than twice the width. And that's how you'd set that up with the formula here, or the expression. And so perimeter, you could use the perimeter formula. Perimeter is always equal to 2 lengths plus 2 widths. Whoa. I always like perimeter as just add up all the sides. And so we really have it if you think of it that way. So you would just take, we know this side's W and this side's W, so we know W plus the other two sides, this one and this one. Is a rectangle, so this one has to be 2W minus 3. So 2W minus 3, we got 2 of those, 2W minus 3, and we know that has to equal, and I've already forgotten the number, 174 feet. And so then you solve it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 W's as I count. I guess I could have counted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then minus 3 and minus 3 is negative 6. So we've got 6 W's minus 6. And that equals 174. Okay, and so then with solving this, wow, that's an ugly W. So while you're solving this, you just continue on. You'd add 6. So 6W equals 180 feet. 180 divided by 6 would be 30. So we know our width is 30 because 180 divided by 6 is 30. Alright, so our width is 30, so we go back up to our triangle and plug that in, so we know this is 30, and so we know that this side would be 2 times 30 minus 3, which would be 60 minus 3, and 60 minus 3 is 57, and so we know our rectangle is 30 by 57. Now, if you wanted, you might check that out. So add those together, 57, 57, 30, and 30, and just make sure that you come up with 174. So there's 14, add the 1, 3, 6, 16, 17, so 174. And so the answer checks out. And so the dimensions of our rectangle are 30 by 57. So I hope this helps. Best of luck on problems like these, and there are literally millions of them. So good luck.